Buenos días, niños. Otra vez, ahora vamos a hacer matemáticas. Este es un repaso de fracciones. ¿Ok? Mitad y un cuarto. Fractions. 1/2, 1/4. Remember, a half is 2 equal parts. We have the same size here and the same size here. And if I want to make it 1/2, I only have 1 out of 2, remember? So I would color in this. I know you can't quite see. Okay, so I would fill all of this all the way around and color in. That would be 1/2, remember? 1/2, we write it we colored 1 out of 2 parts. So it is 1/2. Okay, colored 1. 1 out of how many parts? 2. There's 1, 2. Now, 1/4. How many parts do we have? 1. Very good. 4 parts. Now, I have 4 parts. How many do you think I'm going to color if it's 1/4? Very good. Your clue's right here. 1. 1/4. So Miss, I would color in just 1 square. Does it matter what square? No. Does it matter how many? Yes. We are only coloring in 1. Okay? Hopefully you can see that. What I want you to do is with the sheet of paper, you're going to draw me a circle, a square, triangle, rectangle, okay? Just like this. On one side, you're going to do 1/2. You're going to write 1/2. Okay? So you have to break these shapes into how many parts? See? How many parts? Very good. And how many are you going to color in? Well, 2 parts, and I colored 1 out of 2. Now, you're going to do the same part on the back. The only thing you're going to change it is into 1/4. Okay? Let's save paper and not use so much. Okay, so you can use the back side. Use the front and the back. So we're going to draw circle again, triangle. Make sure your shapes are big. Okay? And you'll have to divide that into how many parts? 1/4. How many parts? 4. And how many are you going to color in? 1. Okay. 4. This one I'm going to help you with the triangle in 4 equal parts because it's kind of tricky. Okay? It won't be in 4 equal parts. But you can make 4 parts, okay? It won't be equal, but you have 4 parts, okay? So maybe you can find another way to show me 1/4. That's the only one that's not going to have equal parts. But on 1/2, they should all be equal parts. The rest should have 4 equal parts. Okay? Can't wait to see your work. And I'll be talking to you soon. Goodbye.